Now we'll see if Mama can throw this. Oh, not too good, Mama. You like it? Oh, boy. What? Were you talking? Come on, Gus. You want to give it to me so I can throw it some more? We haven't been out in days because of the rain, huh? Oh, thank you, Annie Babs. Drop it. Give it to Mama. Gussie, give. Cute cat. Stay there. I'd say that's a hit.